Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can use Gemini AI by Google, but before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. Gemini is Google's largest and most capable AI that can process images, video, text, audio, and code. It claims to surpass the top AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Microsoft's Copilot Bing Chat. First, let's see a quick demo. Gemini is multimodal from the ground up, so you can seamlessly have a conversation across modalities and give you the best possible response. Gemini is largest and most capable model, which means that Gemini can understand the world around us in the way that we do. What makes Gemini really stand out is the multimodality reasoning seamlessly across text, images, video, audio, and code. Google has built 3 versions of Gemini with 3 different sets of skills. The largest, Ultra, is designed to tackle complex tasks and will debut in 2024. It will run on their cloud servers, and you'll be able to get access to the API the same way you would as the ChatGPT, and most probably at around the same price point. Pro, the mid-tier offering, has been rolled out to the Bard chatbot, and will continue rolling out to many more Google products in the coming months. The Nano version of Gemini is the smallest version that runs locally on devices such as Pixel 8 Pro smartphone, and will power features such as AI capabilities to smartphone camera, summarizing audio recordings, and offering suggested text responses and WhatsApp. Alright, let's get you set up so that you can start using this revolutionary technology. The very first step, you'll open your browser and type in bard.google.com. Despite the premium sounding name, the Gemini Pro update to Bard is free to use. One of the strengths of Bard is that the integration with other Google services. You can use Gmail tag in your prompt, for example, to have chatbots summarize your daily messages, or you can use Add YouTube tag to explore topics with videos. Let's check Gemini's vision. Let me attach an image and check if Gemini can see what's in the photo. The image you send me is a blue icon of an oil rig with a flame on top. It is a fairly common symbol for the oil and gas industry, and it is often used by companies that explore for, produce, or transport oil and gas. The specific meaning of the icon can vary depending on the context in which it is used, but it generally represents the oil and gas industry as a whole. Currently, we can upload only images. However, in 2024, Bard Advanced will debut, which will be a new experience powered by Gemini's most capable model with Gemini Ultra, as it's called. It will be able to understand and act on different types of information, including text, images, audio, video, and code. It will have multimodal reasoning capabilities. Google says in addition to understanding audio and video content, Gemini Ultra can also understand, explain, and generate high-quality code in popular programming languages. That's how you can use Gemini AI by Google. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.